Guys, what's up? What's grooving? You already know. You already know what we're doing. We're gonna do eating sounds thing. You can see it in the title of this video and the description. Yeah. So let's get started. What the heck? Okay. First on, we're gonna be eating. First one we're gonna be eating is y'all. Filipinos know this is famous mint candy in Filipino. It's called Stay Fresh. Cool, right? It's got a whole plastic of these. Let's just start eating it. Just got in a, you just got in the market, so that's why I got this. The whole plastic, and I got another surprise for you guys. Also the eating sounds, for the eating sound thing. I bought a whole plastic of it's a mystery. Okay, so let's just eat this. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys. I just finally got my new headphones. This time it comes with a mic that you can just connect. This is a Bluetooth earphone. I just connected a wire. It just comes with this wire for the mic, and it has a charger for it. So yeah. Mic. Okay, let's just do this thing. Like. Okay, we're done. So for the next ASMR. Oh, I almost forgot. Special thanks to ASMR, the Chew, I think, yeah, for the Chews, I think, yeah, for inspiring me to make this video. She actually didn't talk to me, but her videos just inspired me making these kind of things. So let's just get to the other eating sound. So right here is a special gum. It's a cube. It has a commercial of its own. Yeah. Philippines favorite gum, Judge. Yeah. Come on, camera. You can do it. Come on, I know you can do it. Judge. Okay, now you see it. So, oh, I almost forgot. Guys, for You who know the game called Episode, you should play, guys. It's so cool. I'm gonna show you a story about it. I'm gonna, make a video about it. Yeah. So, okay, let's just get on to the chewing thing. Oh, whoa, my hair's pretty messy. Let's just take out the cube. There's another kind, which is I got a whole plastic of these. Don't judge, guys, but I just chew so fast. I just put something minty, and it's like stuck in my tongue, like making my tongue so cool. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and leave a comment down below.